Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. So today I'm going to do an unboxing about some ones that I just got. These right here, these are my favorite ones that I have right now. These are laser ones. I love ones. I think ones are my favorite Jordan. I want some bread, so if anyone out there has some breads, 11.5, 12, hit me up. I just wanted to show these. I'm going to compare these to the ones I just got. The ones I'm going to show you are the wheat ones. Alright, so first off we have the box, standard Nike, nothing special, just a box. Ooh, these are tough. We have the wheat ones. These shoes here actually came out about late November, I want to say, December. They're about $160. They actually came out in the wheat pack that Jordan released. It included 6s and 13s. I would like to get the 13s, but the ones just kind of grabbed my attention because they were kind of slept on, I feel like. And these are nice because they have the gum bottoms that also go along with this really high quality suede. This suede is really nice. It's like really soft, like soft to the touch. You can tell it's like really good suede because it changes color and direction when you rub it. It has a great gum bottom, and it comes with two different types of lacing. It has the flat laces like on these right here, and it also has these rope laces. The rope lace is a different look, and I didn't really think I was gonna like it, but I laced it up with the rope laces, and the rope lace is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna finish lacing this one up right now. So usually I don't lace my shoes like this, but there's a link, I'm gonna put a link right here with a different video about how you lace different ones. So this is actually one way I lace my shoes, all the way up to the top and leave the shoelaces out. And I'm probably gonna do that with these too, or tucking them inside, but I'll go over that in a different video. These are actually really great quality shoes. I really like the suede. It actually has two different types of suede. It has a really short suede on the sides right here, and on the swoosh, and on the toe box. And then coming around to the back, it has this really like thicker, longer suede on the back, which is even softer, and it goes all the way around. So the two suedes are really contrasting, and it actually makes it a really nice look. Inside the shoe, these are actually 11.5. Inside the shoe, it has a really great comfortable cushion around the ankle. And then a really cool feature I like about this shoe is that on the tongue, the tab on the tongue is also suede, and it's also very soft. The shoe has the Air Jordan logo embossed into the suede, and actually I really wasn't sure how well it was going to be embossed into the, because it's kind of hard to emboss suede. So it actually came out very well. You can see the design quite well on here. One thing that I wish they didn't do about this shoe was inside the shoe it has the white material. You can see it, and it just makes it kind of have a more of a cheaper look. Also, the tongue material, I wish they had gone completely all suede with it, but it's not a big enough issue for me, at least. I'm not much of a Tim's person. I don't like really big shoes, but these kind of come in like for Tim's for me. So you guys can check out the rest of my videos about ones and about different ways you can tie ones and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna put these back in the box. Thank you so much for watching. Please tune in for more unboxing videos. I will have more unboxing videos of different shoes and different ways. Hopefully I won't get these dirty, but if I do get them dirty, heavens no. But if I do, we will have a cleaning, because that'll be a new experience for me. I don't want to get these dirty ever, because I feel like it'll be very hard to clean these because they're such a good quality material. But if I do get them dirty ever, we will have a cleaning video for these as well. I will show you guys how to clean suede like this. Like, subscribe, comment down below anything that I should change, suggestions that you have, any new shoes that you want me to try out, see if I can find. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time for the next video. See you later.